Hi everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert. So there is a vacancy at Advantmed for medical coders. So both CPC certified and non-CPC certified candidates can apply. So there are a lot of vacancies, my dear friends. So let us see the complete details in this video and the date of walk-in. First of all, let us start with the qualification. So the qualification is Diploma in Pharmacy, B.Pharm M.Pharm Pharm.D B.Sc or M.Sc Biotech or Biochem or Microbiology candidates. So coming to the walk-in interview dates, 3rd and 4th August 2024, Saturday and Sunday. And coming to the job details, so initially you will be for 6 months probation will be there. During that you need to work 6 days a week. After that 5 days working will be given, and there is a good opportunity here because the company is going to provide spot offer, good infrastructure, and well-known company. So registration is mandatory. Scan the QR code shown on the screen and attend the interview. So there is no interview without registration as said by the company. The location of the walk-in interview is Advantmed India LLP, Tower 1 5th floor, Info City, Gandhinagar, Gujarat.